Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we're unpacking something I find absolutely fascinating, the hidden mechanical alchemy of superior digestion. We live in this era where everyone is frantically hunting for the next big health upgrade, right? Like the newest exotic pill or some incredibly complex morning routine. But what if I told you that the ultimate health upgrade, the real game changer, is completely free and literally already built into your body? Yep. Today we're going to explore how the mechanics of eating, not just the ingredients, actually dictate your baseline health. Let's get into it.
Let's kick things off by challenging a massive modern myth. We spend so much time and energy obsessing over tracking our macros, weighing out portions of protein, and dropping serious cash on those fancy organic superfoods. I mean, we've all heard the old saying, you are what you eat, right? But what if that entire approach is actually missing the point? What if the what is completely secondary to the how? So here's our roadmap for understanding how your body actually processes fuel. We'll be looking at 1, the ultimate hidden biohack, 2, how the mouth is a lab, 3, the hydration conflict, 4, posture and the vagus nerve, and finally, 5, the golden digestion rule. Think of it as a step-by-step journey straight down your personal digestive highway. All right, section 1, the ultimate hidden biohack, and exactly why macros and superfoods just aren't enough. We really need to build a totally new paradigm for our health right here. On one side, we have our current modern obsession, meticulously tracking every single thing we eat, constantly hunting for that ultimate magical superfood. But focusing purely on the ingredients, it's literally like putting premium, top-tier racing fuel into a car with a completely broken engine. It just doesn't work. On the other side, we have the hidden truth, focusing on how we eat. The mechanical process of absorption is the real gatekeeper of your health. Because the hard truth is, you aren't what you eat, you are what you absorb. And that brings us to a really crucial point. If your digestive mechanics are broken, honestly, it doesn't matter how high quality your food is. All that expensive, high-performance organic food, it just turns straight into metabolic waste. Your body literally cannot access the nutrients inside it. You're essentially taking your hard-earned money and their health potential and flushing it right down the drain. Moving on to section 2. The mouth is a lab because, believe it or not, digestion actually starts in the brain and the mouth. So let's look at the very first stop on this digestive highway. We usually think digestion happens entirely in the dark depths of the stomach, right? Well, think about your last meal for a second. How many times did you chew before you swallowed? Honestly, most people chew their food just 3 to 5 times. And when you do that, you're swallowing solid chunks of food, forcing your stomach to deal with a massive, heavy burden it simply wasn't designed to handle. Instead, our biological goal should actually be the 32 chew rule.
Now, you might be wondering, why exactly 32 times? Well, it's all because of this incredible enzyme called amylase. It's hanging out right there in your saliva, and it starts breaking down carbohydrates immediately upon contact, the second food hits your mouth. By chewing 30 plus times, literally until your food becomes a complete liquid mush, you're using amylase to pre-digest your meal before it ever even gets close to your stomach. You're basically acting as the head scientist, doing all the heavy lifting right there in the lab of your mouth. And taking the time to do this, it has profound immediate effects. By using your mouth as a lab, you drastically reduce the energy burden on your gut. And this right here is exactly why this one simple habit completely prevents those awful heavy post-lunch food comas. Instead of all your body's energy rushing down to your stomach to smash apart giant chunks of food, your system handles it easily. And that leaves you with high mental energy all afternoon long. A real game changer. Okay, section 3, the hydration conflict, or the hidden danger of ice-cold water during meals. Think about your typical restaurant experience for a minute. You sit down, and boom, immediately you're handed this massive glass of clinking ice water. We gulp it down throughout the meal, and sure, it feels incredibly refreshing. But from a biological standpoint, chugging ice-cold water during a meal is a massive mistake. That temperature shock actively slows down the delicate enzymatic activity we just talked about. And even worse, it actually solidifies the fats you're eating. Think about trying to wash a really greasy frying pan with ice water. The grease just instantly hardens, right? The exact same thing is happening right in your gut, making that food incredibly difficult to process. But wait, the freezing cold temperature is only half the problem. Let's talk about hydrochloric acid, or HCl. This is the highly concentrated stomach acid your body absolutely requires to effectively break down heavy proteins. When you flood your stomach with a massive glass of water while you're eating, you're heavily diluting this crucial acid. You are basically taking a bucket of water and throwing it right onto your body's internal digestive fire. It makes your gastric juices significantly less effective. So how do we fix this biological mismatch? Well, you can follow this incredibly simple, highly actionable protocol. Step 1. Hydrate deeply 30 minutes before you eat to prime your entire system. Step 2. During the actual meal, take only small sips of room temperature water, and honestly, only if you really need to. And step 3, wait about 60 minutes after eating for that initial breakdown to fully complete before you start drinking freely again. Moving right along to section 4, posture and the vagus nerve. This is all about why mindful mechanics win over fancy diets. Zooming out from the stomach for a second, let's look at the absolutely crucial role of the vagus nerve. So many of us eat while we're working, or we're stressed out, or we're just scrolling rapidly on our smartphone screens. And what this does is keep your entire nervous system trapped in a fight or flight mode. When your brain thinks it's in a state of danger, it literally diverts blood flow away from your gut and pushes it out to your arms and legs. You simply cannot extract nutrients optimally in this state. You have to consciously shift into a rest and digest state for optimal extraction to even begin. And it's not just about stress. Your actual physical geometry truly matters here. The simple, entirely free act of sitting completely upright creates a massive structural advantage for you. We can call it the posture hack. It aligns your esophagus and your stomach correctly. And this alignment naturally prevents acid reflux and ensures a smooth downward transit for your food. On the flip side, slouching over a keyboard actively compresses your diaphragm and stomach. You're physically trapping gas and acid and working directly against the very organs trying to do the heavy lifting for you. So the really crucial takeaway here is that mindful mechanics will absolutely always beat out fancy diets. Always. You don't need exotic ingredients to feel incredible. A completely normal, balanced meal, when eaten slowly, chewed properly, and consumed in a calm, upright posture, it yields far more bioavailable nutrition than an expensive superfood smoothie that you just gulp down in 30 stressed-out seconds while rushing out the front door.
And that brings us to section 5, the golden digestion rule. Let's look at this free, built-in health technology.
Okay, let's bring all these incredible mechanical processes together into one actionable philosophy. Look, we live in a world that is obsessed with optimization. People are spending thousands of dollars on wearable trackers and high-tech supplements. But it turns out that upgrading your biology doesn't actually cost a single dime. The most advanced health technology on the planet isn't something you strap to your wrist. It relies purely on your own teeth and your patience. It's fully built right in. The whole shebang boils down to this one simple golden rule of digestion. Drink your solids and eat your liquids. What does that mean? Well, drink your solids means you chew them so thoroughly and so patiently that they become a complete liquid before you even think about swallowing. And eat your liquids means when you have a nutrient-dense smoothie or a hearty soup, you don't just gulp it down, you literally sip it slowly, essentially chewing it to properly mix it with those vital salivary enzymes we talked about earlier. So here's the bottom line. You now know that you hold the absolute power to completely eliminate food comas, put a stop to acid reflux, and maximize the extraction of every single nutrient you consume, all entirely for free. The lab is open, and your next great experiment begins the second you sit down. So how will you approach your very next bite? Thanks for joining me on this explainer. I really hope it completely changes the way you look at your plate. See you next time.